Are you worried about the stock market? Do you want to see the future of the market in 2025? Well, me too. Especially when it comes to money. Knowing if the stock market will boom or bust in 2025 is like finding out who wins the Super Bowl early. Except instead of cheering, you're swimming in cash or crying into ramen noodles. Understanding market trends is key. It's like trying to predict the weather. Sometimes you get sunshine and profits. Sometimes it's a downpour of despair, and your portfolio gets soaked. But that is the thrill of the game, right? Like a casino, but with less free shrimp and more charts. So let's put on our fancy investor hats and dive into the chaotic world of the 2025 market. Hey there, folks. Welcome to my channel, AIpreneur, where I share with information about AI and finance. The experts are divided. Some say 2025 will be a boom year. Others say we're headed for a bust. It is like asking a magic 8-ball about your love life. Answers are hazy, and you're left more confused than before. Some point to growing tech sectors, artificial intelligence, space tourism for hamsters. They predict huge growth. Others warn of inflation and geopolitical risks. Apparently, the world might run out of those little plastic things that keep your bread from getting squished. Tragic, my fellow audience. Fear not, intrepid investor. We have tools. Trend analysis. For one, imagine a line on a graph. Is it going up? Good. Is it plummeting faster than a pigeon with indigestion? Maybe not so good. Then there is the PE ratio. It's like judging the price of a used car. Is it a sweet ride or a lemon about to explode? High PE. Maybe it's overpriced low PE. Maybe it's a steal. Or maybe it's just bad at parallel parking. Don't forget economic indicators. They're like the economy's mood ring. Is consumer confidence high? People are buying diamond-encrusted toothpicks. Is it low? Everyone's living in a cardboard box and investing in ramen noodle futures. Let's talk stocks. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, there's always something new to learn. Everyone loves a good stock tip, even if it comes from your uncle who wears a tinfoil hat to block government mind control waves. Sometimes, the most unconventional advice can lead to the most surprising gains. Tech is hot, hot, hot. The tech sector continues to boom with innovations driving stock prices to new heights. But instead of boring old Apple or Microsoft, consider investing in companies developing robotic butlers who can also do your taxes. Imagine a future where your household chores and financial tasks are handled by intelligent machines or companies creating self-folding laundry. These innovations are not just convenient but also time-saving. Think of the time you'll save. With more free time, you can focus on what truly matters to you. You could finally write that screenplay about a talking hamster who becomes a Wall Street tycoon. The possibilities are endless when technology takes care of the mundane. But remember, diversification is key. Spreading your investments across different sectors can help mitigate risks. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, unless that basket is a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and maybe a few shares in a company that makes those tiny umbrellas for cocktails. Diversification can provide stability and growth. They're adorable, and people love adorable. Investing can be fun and rewarding if you make smart choices. When hedge funds have a garage sale, remember? 2008, the housing bubble burst, and everyone panicked like they were trapped in a phone booth with a bee. Hedge funds were selling their yachts for a nickel and a half-eaten bag of chips. Will 2025 bring another crash? Who knows? Maybe it'll be a slow decline, like your grandma's eyesight after years of reading romance novels by candlelight. Or maybe it'll be a sudden plunge, like that time you accidentally wore Crocs to a fashion show. The point is, be prepared, have an emergency fund, diversify your portfolio, and maybe invest in a company that makes really comfortable crash helmets, just in case. The rise of the robot stockbrokers. They crave oil. The future is here. Robot stockbrokers are now a thing. These mechanical marvels are revolutionizing the financial world, bringing a new era of efficiency and precision. They use fancy algorithms and drink lots of oil. It's their fuel, their lifeblood, keeping them running smoothly as they crunch numbers and analyze data. They analyze markets faster than you can say, buy low, sell high, and never sleep. Which is creepy. Their tireless nature means they can work around the clock, never missing a beat. But can they predict the future? Maybe. Their advanced algorithms give them an edge. But the market's unpredictability remains a challenge even for them. But remember, robots are programmed by humans. These algorithms are only as good as the data and instructions we provide. And humans are notoriously bad at predicting the future. Our biases and errors can seep into the programming, leading to unexpected outcomes. We're better at accidentally stapling things to our foreheads and forgetting why we walked into a room. So trust your gut. Sometimes human intuition can be surprisingly accurate. And if your gut is too busy digesting that questionable gas station sushi, maybe trust a human financial advisor. They bring a personal touch and understanding that robots can't replicate. They might not run on oil, but they can offer a comforting pat on the back when the market inevitably goes haywire. In the end, a blend of human wisdom and robotic efficiency might be the best approach. So, you want to be a trillionaire? Don't quit your day job. Everyone dreams of striking it rich. The allure of unimaginable wealth is a powerful motivator. We imagine yachts, private islands, and solid gold toilet brushes. These are the symbols of ultimate luxury and success. But let's be real. The odds of becoming a trillionaire are slimmer than a giraffe wearing skinny jeans. It's a nearly impossible feat. Investing can help you build wealth over time, but it's a marathon, not a sprint. It requires dedication and long-term planning. It takes patience, research, and a healthy tolerance for risk. You need to be prepared for the ups and downs of the market. It's also helpful to be lucky, like winning the lottery, but without having to share your winnings with your annoying second cousin twice removed. So, invest wisely, manage your risks, diversify your portfolio. And if you do become a trillionaire, please hire me to write witty captions for your Instagram pictures of you swimming in a pool of money. After all, everyone loves a good success story. In conclusion, buckle up. It's going to be a bumpy hilarity ride. The stock market in 2025 is a mystery wrapped in an enigma dipped in a vat of uncertainty sauce. Will it boom? Will it bust? Will it do the Macarena and then spontaneously combust? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, it's going to be weird. So, buckle up, Buttercup. Arm yourself with knowledge, a dash of humor, and maybe a fire extinguisher. For when the robot stockbrokers inevitably short-circuit and burst into flames. Happy investing! And remember, if all else fails, you can always sell those limited edition Beanie Babies you've been hoarding in your attic. Just kidding. Or am I? Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share.